Machine learning is the concept that a computer program can learn and adapt to new data without human intervention. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that keeps a computer's built-in algorithms current regardless of changes in the worldwide economy. A complex algorithm or source code is built into a computer that allows for the machine to identify data and build predictions around the data that it identifies. Machine learning is useful in parsing the immense amount of information that is consistently and readily available in the world to assist in decision-making. Machine learning can be applied in a variety of areas, such as in investing, advertising, lending, organizing news, fraud detection, and more. Various sectors of the economy are dealing with huge amounts of data available in different formats from disparate sources. The enormous amount of data, known as big data, is becoming easily available and accessible due to the progressive use of technology, specifically advanced computing capabilities and cloud storage. Companies and governments realize the huge insights that can be gained from tapping into big data, but lack the resources and time required to comb through its wealth of information. As such, artificial intelligence measures are being employed by different industries to gather, process, communicate, and share useful information from datasets. One method of AI that is increasingly utilized for big data processing is machine learning. The various data applications of machine learning are formed through a complex algorithm or source code built into the machine or computer. This programming code creates a model that identifies the data and builds predictions around the data it identifies. The model uses parameters built in the algorithm to form patterns for its decision-making process. When new or additional data becomes available, the algorithm automatically adjusts the parameters to check for a pattern change, if any. However, the model shouldn't change. Machine learning is used in different sectors for various reasons. Trading systems can be calibrated to identify new investment opportunities. Marketing and e-commerce platforms can be tuned to provide accurate and personalized recommendations to their users, based on the user's internet search history or previous transactions. Lending institutions can incorporate machine learning to predict bad loans and build a credit risk model. Information hubs can use machine learning to cover huge amounts of news stories from all corners of the world. Banks can create fraud detection tools from machine learning techniques. The incorporation of machine learning in the digital savvy era is endless as businesses and governments become more aware of the opportunities that big data presents. An asset management firm may employ machine learning in its investment analysis and research area. Say the asset manager only invests in mining stocks. The model built into the system scans the web and collects all types of news events from businesses, industries, cities, and countries, and this information gathered makes up the data set. The asset managers and researchers of the firm would not have been able to get the information in the data set using their human powers and intellects. The parameters built alongside the model extracts only data about mining companies, regulatory policies on the exploration sector, and political events in select countries from the data set.